I'm going to start triangles chapter. I'm going to start triangles chapter. I have completed trigonometry just like that as per the textbook. That is not sufficient. You need to do some extra problems to make it more confident. That is why those problems are not sufficient. I have to give you some extra worksheets. Okay, so please download my Dear Teacher app, education app, and then contact me so that I can give you worksheets and practice problems. Right? Today onwards, I am going to teach triangles. A very, very important chapter. But this chapter also they made small. So many problems are removed. So many concepts removed. So I am going to start today in this video triangles chapter. It is the 6th chapter of ncert book. Okay, so before I go to the topic, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, share these video links to your friends. It is the 6th chapter. So definitely one question will come in the board examination from this chapter. So many students will feel difficult to do this chapter. Okay, it is very easy chapter. It is very easy chapter, and little focus is needed to understand the concept. Okay, so some basic concepts you may not be knowing, but then and there, wherever it's needed, I am going to give you those basics and follow the basics. Okay, so now I will start directly the chapter. So this is a triangle and this is a triangle. Both are triangles. Okay, now here when we compare these two triangles, so there are two words you will be getting when we compare two triangles, any two triangles. So one is ABC, one triangle, and PQR is another triangle. So in two ways we compare these triangles. Okay, one is they might be congruent. Okay, last year in 9th class you have learned congruent triangles. So they are congruent. When they are congruent, when all the sides of ABC are equal to all the sides of PQR, then these two triangles are congruent. That means all the parts of triangle ABC are equal to all the parts of triangle PQR. Then these two triangles are congruent. Okay. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా నేనే చేస్తాను అయ్యగా అవగానే నేనే చేస్తానే చేసేయి నేను రేవతి చేయదు నువ్వేం నేను అనుకున్నట్టుగా చేసి మేము 10ంటికి వస్తాం అక్కడికి. లేదు నువ్వు అన్నావు కదా, సో మేము 10ంటికి వస్తాం, మనం 10:30కి బయలుదేరిపోదాం. సరే బాయ్. So all the parts of these two triangles are equal, we say that they are congruent triangles. They are congruent. We can use 4 properties to define whether the two triangles are congruent or not. That you have already learned in 9th class. I am not going to teach anything. నిన్న ఈ అక్కడ నుంచి తీసాం కదా అది కొద్దిగా అక్కడ తొడవాలి అక్కడ చాలా అవి ఇక్కడ వేసేసి తడబట్టాయి. సో ద అదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ when they are not congruent, they are similar triangles. Okay, similar triangles. Similar triangles means they are not equal, but they are similar. Both are triangles only. So they are similar and not similar, not congruent. They are different. We are not talking about the triangles which are not similar, not triangle. We are talking about the triangles which are similar. So in this chapter we are going to talk about the triangles which are similar. So there are two conditions. Sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. That means the sides are in the same ratio. Okay, incongruent sides are equal, corresponding sides are equal. We have to write corresponding sides, but I am writing just sides of ABC are proportional to sides of PQR. And here angles are equal, the corresponding angles are equal. So if these two conditions are, any one of these two conditions are satisfied, then we say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, so similar, the symbol we use it for is, this is the similar. इसको sleep mode में लिखना है. So this is similar. So for example, if these two triangles are similar, we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so that means if these two triangles are similar, we have to represent using this symbol. Congruent also, I will just remind you, equal to symbol is there and this is also there, that is congruent. Now this is not congruent, this is similar. Now in this chapter we are going to talk about the similar triangles also. Okay, because the congruent triangles are over last year, we may be using those concepts when and then is needed. Okay, so now if two triangles are similar, then what happens? Okay, what happens? For example, let me take these two triangles only. If these two triangles are similar, okay, let me take these two triangles are similar. So then what happens? Very simple, their corresponding sides are proportional. So how to take the corresponding? A is corresponding to P. Vertex A is corresponding to P, and vertex B corresponding to vertex Q. Of course, the third one almost automatically they are corresponding. Okay, correspond. When you are writing this ABC, you have to be very careful. Okay, then what does this corresponding indicates? A corresponding to B, B corresponding to Q, C corresponding to R. Okay, so this is how the representation takes place. So then in the first case, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. If two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. So then what are the corresponding angles here? Angle A is equal to angle P, because A and P are corresponding, and angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, so this is a first case. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Then what is the second property? Corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are proportional. Just like that, don't take corresponding. You have to be very careful about the corresponding the word. So what is the corresponding side? So here AB is one side. Side will be represented with two letters. AB is one side. Corresponding side is PQ. So that means AB by PQ. The ratio, they are not equal. Don't write equal symbol. So the ratio of the corresponding sides. So AB, PQ are corresponding. Again same way BC, last two letters, and here also last two letters QR. This is the ratio of the corresponding. So because there are three sides, three ratios will be there, and the final side is AC by PR. These are the corresponding sides. So the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. That means all these ratios are equal. Now here a question comes. How check whether they are similar or not? How to check? Either you have to look at the angles. That is one way. Another way is you find out the ratio of the corresponding sides. You will get some numerical. If ratio of corresponding sides are equal, then they are similar. You may be getting in the objective questions. Very, very, very important thing. Okay. So this notation is very, very simple. Without drawing the diagrams, I will just give you one more example. Let us say triangle PQR is similar to triangle DEF. It is given. Then what are the corresponding angles? First one, corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding? P is corresponding to D, first letter. So angle P is equal to angle D. And what is the second? Angle Q is equal to angle E. And angle R is equal to angle F. This is the first case, corresponding angles are equal. So then what is the ratio of corresponding sides are equal? So first side PQ, first two letters. So here first two letters DE, PQ by DE is equal to QR by EF is equal to PR by DF. So I did not draw any diagram here. I have just written the similar triangles. So from that you can have these two results. నిన్న నీళ్ళని నిండిపోయాయి. ఒకసారి పైకి వెళ్ళి చూస్తావా? నీళ్ళు నిలిచిపోయా లేదా మూల మట్టి పడిపోయిందేమో, అది నిండిపోయి కిందకు వచ్చేసాయి. ఒక్కసారి చూసేసి వెళ్ళిపో. ఆ మెట్ల మించి వెళ్ళాలి. So this is what is about the similar triangles. Okay. Now let me go to applications. Very, very important theorem is basic proportionality theorem. Based on this, we have a theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Very, very important. Most important theorem in this chapter. This is also called Thales theorem. Okay. So today I'll complete this and then I'll pack up. Okay. I don't know whether it will be completed or not. I'll explain the theorem. In next class I am going to explain the proof. So understand the theorem nicely. Here I will draw one triangle like this. Okay. I will draw one more triangle like this. So both are not same triangles. Okay, one is right angle triangle, another one is a normal triangle. Okay, it is looking like equilateral triangle. So now I am just have drawn two triangles for you. Okay, I will apply this basic proportionality theorem. Okay, I am not going to write it. Any line parallel to first point, one line parallel to one side of triangle. That means one line parallel to one side. You take, there are three sides, you can take any side. So I will take, because I will take a parallel line to the base only. First you take it to the base. This is the parallel line. This line is parallel to BC, base. So here I will take this line is parallel to PR. Okay, so that means I have taken two lines. So here let me give the names for this line DE, and here let me give this name is ST. So parallel symbol also I will put it, and parallel symbol also I will put it. This arrow marks indicate parallel. Okay, so now in both the triangles one line is parallel to one side. So when if you draw a line parallel to one side, what happened? It intersects other two sides at two different points. It is intersecting at D and it is intersecting AC at C. If you draw one line parallel to one side, that line meets other two sides at two different points. So in ABC, that parallel line is meeting AB at D and meeting AC at E. Okay, so in this second diagram, the parallel line meeting other two sides. Here other two sides PR छोड़ के दूसरा two sides लेना है. Other two sides you should take. Other two sides T is one side and S side. This line is meeting PQ at T and meeting QR at S. So that means if you take any triangle, if you draw a parallel line to one side, any one side, definitely it will meet other two sides at two different points. So then what happened? This line is making AB into one ratio. One is AD by BD. And this parallel line dividing AC into in a ratio A by CA. So let us come to the second figure. So here this parallel line dividing QR in the ratio QS by SR, and this parallel line dividing PQ in the ratio QT by PT. That means the line, if you draw parallel to one side, it divides the other two sides in a particular ratio, and in the same ratio it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. This is the output. So this is given one line parallel to, this is RTP. That means result. So in the same ratio, they divide it in the same ratio. Then what happened? So for this triangle, AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. So for this triangle, second triangle, what you will be getting? QT by PT is equal to QS by SR. So this is what is a basic proportionality theorem. So first you should understand. Hi Rudra Thakur, good morning. So so I will read out the theorem. In a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one side, it divides other two sides in the same proportion or in the same ratio. So AD by BD, we can call it as a ratio or proportion. Okay, so then, yes, Rudra, even I too, I miss Malkapur, I miss all of you. I think you have come to 10th class. How is your brother? Okay. So now what I will do, I will take one more line parallel to one more side. I will take green line. So then what I will do, this is the parallel to AC, and this is parallel to QR. So I will name it. So this is, let us say, XY, and this is, say, AB. Okay, parallel symbol also I will write it, parallel symbol. So then if you apply for this, what you are going to get, I will write with green letter only. AX by BX is equal to, I am fine, Rudra. AX by BX is equal to CY by BY. Actually, we can write BX by AX is equal to, okay, BY by CY. Both are fine. This is also okay. This is also okay. So let us write this PA by QT is equal to PB by BR. So this is what is a basic proportionality theorem. So now I have explained you the basic proportionality theorem. This theorem I am going to explain the proof in my next class. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, share this videos to your friends. Okay, if you want to connect with me, download the Dear Teacher app. That is my app only, Dear Teacher app, and my logo, see my logo and download it, right? So, and you can connect with me directly, right? Have a nice day. See you in my next class. Bye, Rudra.